Marwadi College English Department. Today I am going to take your elective English that is of 100 marks. Today I will start with drama. The first drama is Chandalika by Rabindranath Tagore. Main characters are Prakriti, Anand, the Buddhist monk, and Prakriti's mother. Chandalika is a drama consisting of two acts, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It was Mukti Dhara in original. It means free current that had sparked the bosom of Prakriti, that is Chandalika, a maid from the lowest rung of society, considered as untouchables in ancient India. Anand, the renowned disciple of Lord Buddha, once came at a well and asked Prakriti to give him water. She explained her caste, but Anand assured her of hers being like other women of the upper caste. He says it is ignorance that should be made criterion for assessment of the caste. Here, Prakriti and her mother both discuss on the rigid bondages of their caste and the mores of contemporary society. Prakriti is rigid in her approach to meet again Anand and surrender herself for his service. Collocation between mother and daughter reveals that both are the most clairvoyant and civilized. Prakriti, under a spell by her mother upon Anand, succeeds in bringing him at her home, but in the meantime, her mother is dead. Because of her paraphernalia of magic scattered into pieces by Prakriti, when it is seen in the magic mirror that Buddhist monk is tormented and lost his usual light and radiance. Thus, Anand and Prakriti are made given forever. In this drama, Rabindranath Tagore explained how a lower caste, a untouchable girl, is overwhelmed when she was explained by a Buddhist monk that the lower caste are also human beings. They can also be treated as normal because God has created them and there is no difference between her caste and other upper caste to God. God never differentiates between human beings. God has not differentiated human beings into caste. So this has struck Prakriti very much and she wants to meet Anand again, but that was not possible. Anand was a monk and he travels frequently and he spread his teachings of Buddha to wherever he go to the places. So today up to this we will continue the drama in our next video.